Good afternoon, students. In the previous class, we learned the Maratha Sardars, tradition of Velar, and the temple of Gurneshwar, which was restored by Maloji Raje Bhosle. Now, today we will learn about Maloji Raje Bhosle. In chapter 3, Maratha Sardars, the famous house of the Bhosle, part 3. The Bhosles of Verul. Maloji Raje Bhosle, the Patil of Verul, was a great devotee of Shiva. So children, as we saw in the last class, Maloji Raje Bhosle was a great devotee of Lord Shiva. He was the one who renovated and protected the temple of Gurneshwar. Babaji Raje had two sons. Maloji Raje was the elder and Vittoji Raje the younger. Babaji Raje Bhosle had the rights of a patil in the Verul village. Now, Babaji Raje had two sons. One was Maloji and the other was Vittoji. Maloji was the elder son and Vittoji was the younger son. Babaji Raje was the head of Verul. Now, Verul is the name of a village. Maloji Raje and Vittoji Raje were both brave and enterprising. They had in their service many armed Maratha troops. It was a period of great unrest. Maloji and Vittoji, both these brothers, were very brave and enterprising. Enterprising means willing to try out new and unusual way of doing or achieving something. These Maratha Sardars had their own armed forces. During that time, there were constant war among the people. The Mughal emperor from Delhi had attacked the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Daulatabad was then the capital of Nizam Shah. Now, the Mughal emperor from north, that is from Delhi, attacked the kingdom of Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar. And that time, Daulatabad was the capital of Nizam Shah. Malik Ambar was his wazir. He was able and wise. Now, Malik Ambar was his wazir. Wazir means chief minister, and he was a wise man. The two capable and brave brothers from Verul soon caught his attention. Now, Malik Ambar, who was the chief minister, saw the bravery of these two brothers, that is Maloji and Vittoji, and he went and told about their bravery to Nizam Shah. On his recommendation, the Shah conferred on Maloji Raje the Jagir of Pune and Supe Paraganas. Now, Nizam Shah was looking forward for such people who can fight with the Mughals. Nizam Shah made them Sardars of his court and conferred means to grant or to give rights, and conferred Jagir of Pune and Supe Paraganas on Maloji Raje. So the Bhosles became rich and powerful. Now, on getting the Jagirs, the Bhosles, Maloji and Vittoji Raje became very rich and powerful. Maloji Raje's wife was Umabai. She came from the house of Nimbalkars of Fulton. They had two sons, Shahaji and Sharafiji. Maloji Raje was killed in a battle of Indapur. At that time, Shahaji was only 5 years old. Then Vittoji Raje looked after the children and the Jagir. Now, in a battle at Indapur, Maloji Raje lost his life. At that time, Shahaji was only 5 years old. Then Vithoji, brother of Maloji, looked after both the children and the Jagir. Later, he asked in marriage for Shahaji, the daughter of Lakhoji Rao Jadhav. Jijabai, the daughter of Lakhoji, was well favored by the gods. Lakhoji Rao accepted Vithoji Raje's proposal. Now, few days later, Vithoji asked Shahaji to get married to Jijabai, daughter of Lakhoji Rao Jadhav. Lakhoji Rao was a brave and valiant Sardar in the court of Nizam Shah. He kept a large army of his own. He commanded great respect and honor at the court of Nizam Shah. Lakhoji Rao Jadhav was also a brave Maratha Sardar in the court of Nizam Shah. He was highly respected in the court of Nizam Shah. He had his own army. He celebrated the wedding of Shahaji Raje and Jijabai with great pomp. Jijabai became the fortune of the Bhosle family. Now, fortune means good and bad things that happen to someone, especially good luck. Now, they celebrated wedding of Shahaji Raje and Jijabai with great pomp. Now we will take a quick revision. Babaji Raje, he had two sons, Maloji, the elder son, and Vithoji, the younger son. Maloji Raje, his wife Umabai, they had two sons, Shahaji and Sharifji. Jijabai, wife of Maloji and daughter of Lakhoji Rao Jadhav. Students, I hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask.